For millennia, humans have looked to the night sky in awe. In the deepest, darkest polar nights, the very sky itself can come alive. Silent, ethereal curtains of light dance across the stars, shimmering in hues of emerald green, deep red, and violet. This is not magic, nor is it a dream. This is the Aurora Borealis. The Northern Lights. It is the most spectacular light show on Earth, a visible testament to an invisible force that protects our planet, and a dazzling display of our connection to a star 93 million miles away. Welcome to the Geographic Eye. Today, we gaze upwards to unravel the secrets of this celestial phenomenon. The story of the aurora does not begin in our polar skies. It begins here, at the heart of our solar system. Our sun is a swirling sphere of superheated plasma, constantly boiling and churning. On its surface, massive explosions known as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, can occur. These events hurl billions of tons of charged particles, electrons, and protons, out into the void of space at incredible speeds. This stream of particles is known as the solar wind. This solar wind travels across the solar system, a silent, invisible storm, and about 8 minutes after leaving the sun, this storm reaches our doorstep. But our planet is not defenseless. We are protected by an invisible shield, Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic bubble, called the magnetosphere, safeguards us from the full brunt of the solar wind, deflecting most of these harmful particles and protecting our atmosphere. Without it, life as we know it might not exist. However, our magnetic shield has a weakness: the poles. The magnetic field lines curve inwards at the north and south poles. Some of the solar wind's charged particles are captured by these lines and channeled down, like water flowing down a drain, into the upper atmosphere over the Arctic and Antarctic circles. The stage is now set. The players are in position. All that's needed is the final, brilliant act. High above our heads, between 60 and 400 miles in the sky, the particles of the solar wind collide with the gases in our atmosphere. When a high-energy solar particle smashes into an oxygen or nitrogen atom, it transfers energy, exciting the atom. Like a ball gaining height, the atom enters a higher energy state. But it can't stay there for long. To return to its normal state, the atom must release that extra energy. It does so by emitting a tiny packet of light, a photon. One photon is invisible to the human eye. But billions upon billions of these collisions happening every second, that creates the vast, shimmering curtains of the aurora. And the color of this light depends on two things: which gases hit, and how high the collision happens. Green. The most common color. Caused by collisions with oxygen atoms at lower altitudes, around 60 to 150 miles. Red. A rarer sight. Caused by high-altitude oxygen above 150 miles. Blue or purple, typically caused by collisions with nitrogen molecules. This cosmic ballet of collisions paints the sky with an ever-changing palette of light. So, where and when can you witness this incredible phenomenon? The Aurora Borealis is primarily visible within a circular band around the magnetic North Pole, known as the auroral oval. Prime locations include northern Norway, Iceland, northern Canada, Alaska, and northern Sweden and Finland. To see them, you need 3 key ingredients. Darkness. The long nights of winter, from September to April, are ideal. Clear skies. You need a break in the clouds. Solar activity. The stronger the solar wind, the brighter and more widespread the lights. This is measured as the KP index. The higher the number, the further south the aurora can be seen. Patience is the ultimate key. But for those who wait, the reward is unparalleled. From ancient civilizations, who saw them as spirits of ancestors, dragons, or strange messages, to modern scientists who understand their cosmic origin, the aurora has never failed to ignite our imagination. It is a beautiful reminder that we live on a planet with a protective magnetic field, a planet connected to and nurtured by a star, and a planet capable of producing wonders that defy description. It is the Geographic Eye's greatest privilege to explore these wonders with you. If you enjoyed this journey into the night sky, please subscribe and hit the like button.